stunning. Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. In my previous video, I unboxed a PR package from Sarah Blue, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a book box I ordered from Sarah Blue. This book box is for Charming the Devil, which is the second book in, I think it's called the Charming series. So I was on the PR team for the Charming Your Dad book, but I didn't make the cut for the second book, but that's okay. I ended up buying the box anyways. I'm gonna unbox it in this video. Let's get to it. That's what the inside looks like. Already I see a shirt and a bottle. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I need to try it on. Hold on. That's so pretty actually. What the heck? Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. There's the two skulls. It says The Lovers. I just have some black jeans on with flowers on them, so let me change. I'm trying to film and I already hear it. They're calling me. Alright, I will be right back. So, I was interrupted yesterday. So I ended up just taking the day to give up on filming and continue the next day. So, hello, welcome back. Let's continue opening up this box, because there are so many goodies in here and I'm so excited. Recap. Got this shirt, which you can't really see right now because I am sitting, but it says The Lovers and there's two skulls and it's super cute. It's a little tight here. I got a medium. It's okay. I'm sure over time it'll adjust to my body. Oh, a water bottle. Okay, fun fact. My mother broke my water bottle the other day. I'm happy to have a replacement. Oh, ooh, hand wash only, aluminum. Do not microwave, okay? Ooh, Hail Lucky Purr. I love it. This is so cool. I love Lucky Purr. That's the cat in the book. I think these are bath salts. They smell so good. Oh my gosh. Soulmates. These are such cute necklaces. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. This is a keychain. It also looks like a knife. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted one of these. Ooh, it's sharp. That's pretty cool. Next is the book. Oh, cool. Whoa. Wow, this is really pretty. Oh, Lucky Purr again. I love Lucky Purr because the cat reminds me of my cat, Lucky Paw. These stickers are really cool. And then the art print. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It is time to open the book. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. Charming Your Dad, Charming the Devil. Oh, look at these covers. Stunning. Oh my gosh. And then the back for Charming the Devil and the back for Charming Your Dad. I need to see what under this dust jacket looks like. Whoa. How am I trying to... Oh my gosh, wait, I love this. Hold on, let me fully take the dust jacket off. That's the back, and this is the front. And I'll show you the front and back for Charming Your Dad. Look at that. Charming Your Dad, Charming the Devil. And then here's the front. Oh my gosh, I actually love these. Ooh, chapter 1, Lilith. Oh my gosh, it's signed. Cool. I love this box. Oh my gosh. I'm sad that I missed out on the PR version of it. I'm happy that I was able to snag a box anyways. I'm super excited for the next book. Fingers crossed I'm on the PR team for the next one, because I would love to be on it again. I was on Sarah Blue's PR team for Charming Your Dad, as well as her other book, Swallow Your Pride. So if you want to see those videos of me unboxing those, feel free to check the description below. I'll link everything down there. I'll link Sarah's socials down below as well. I also posted a bunch of photos with these books, so feel free to check out my Instagram. I'll link that in the description below. There's gonna be a lot of links. Have a field day, okay? I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell. And until next time, I'll see you later.